Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Survivorio error code 10801-3. The error reads, "Abnormal network connection, please try again later." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to access events or the in-game shop. Some users have reported that while the game runs fine, certain features appear different or restricted. According to our research, this issue is likely caused by network instability, connection conflicts, or server-side problems. If your Wi-Fi is unstable, this error can appear. So try closing Survivorio and restart the game after a few seconds and then see if the issue is resolved. If the error persists, restart your phone. Simply disconnect your device from the internet, wait a few seconds and then reconnect. Then check if the error still appears. If restarting didn't help, then close the game and switch to a different Wi-Fi or use mobile data. Then open the game and check if the error is still there. If the issue continues on multiple networks, uninstall and reinstall Survivorio. Then check if the error is resolved now. If the error still continues and you have a VPN, then try enabling it and launching the game again. Sometimes network restrictions cause the error, and using a VPN may help bypass them. If none of the above solutions work, then the error is likely a server-side issue. In this case, wait a few hours and try again. If the error persists even after trying all these fixes, it is best to wait for an official fix from the developers. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.